you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have November's Globein box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So November 2024 Globein box just arrived. They did send this to me for review, so thank you so much for sending me your box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So if you guys don't know, I absolutely love Globein for so many different reasons. For one, I love all of the different products that they have. You can find things from interior to exterior, kitchen to clothing to like so many different products. Almost all of my glassware in my kitchen, including shot glasses, wine glasses, margarita glasses, they are all from Globein. I absolutely love everything that they find for us from remote artisans from all over the world that you get to have brought straight to your home. And the great thing is you get to choose the 3 different products because there's 3 items in every box. There's 3 different tiers. You get to go through all of the different products and choose what you want to customize your own box. Great gift ideas for yourself or for others. Some of these in here, like I'll be looking through and I'm like, ooh, that would be great for so-and-so. And I could select it and then gift it to that person. So you do have a lot of flexibility with this box, or you could just save the points and shop their shop or save it for another box if you just didn't see anything that you really liked. So you do have a lot of flexibility with this. And I really, really love that you're choosing your entire box for yourself. So if you do sign up on the 1st or the 2nd, depending on which membership you are, they will open up at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, the box builder, and that's the time that you get to go in and see all of the different options. I will start showing you all of the different options right here for category number 1 that you can pick from. But always keep in mind, the sooner you go to choose, the more options you will have. Some of the remote artisans that they find might only have a handful of products. Everything is handmade and just made so well that some of the items might only have, like I said, a handful per category. So the sooner you go in, the sooner you can choose and see all of the different options. So at first, I was forgetting and going in halfway through and there was less products. Now I set a reminder on my phone. So on the 1st at 6, 7, 8, 9 p.m. my time here in Florida, I can go in and create my box builder. And then I can screen record all of the different options to show you guys. Because again, you get to choose. So you can look through all of them and kind of see how would I customize this box for my own liking. So I love that. Plus, some of you guys actually look through all the choices and try to pick what I chose. And sometimes you're like, hey, I got it right. So that is amazing that you guys do that. You guys know me so well. Let's go ahead and dive in so I can show you what's inside my box. The United States Postal Service is, they just really love me and my boxes. So it looks like everything is there. So I didn't complain. I just grabbed it and went on with my day. So let's go ahead and take these out. Again, there's always 3 items. So I should have 3. Yep. Here's 3 packages. Ooh, down inside. And then for every item, you do have a little card with more information, which I love that they do that. Attention to detail. Everything's always packaged so well. So let me go ahead and remove all the packaging so I can kind of see which one is for this category number 1. Okay, so for this category, I completely forgot. I did actually choose something for a gift item. So for those that are sitting there trying to figure out what I would choose for myself, I threw a curveball at you. You probably won't guess this one because this is definitely not my forte. I got these little cat plates. I have a few friends that have cats only, and I love to get them cat themed gifts when it comes around. So these 2 I chose so I can give to it's kind of I consider her more of a sister than a friend, but someone from California, and I thought these would be absolutely adorable to get her for Christmas next year. She can use them as little ring dishes or catch all, put change in, put soap on it. I mean, you could really use them for anything, but they're 2 different cats. I think these are so cute. These were valued at $41 and they're ceramic. So they're ceramic cats, again, valued for $41 for the set. And then it says down in here, they're made from Thailand, which there's a sticker right on it. Pretty kitties take over the creator's mind, allowing this lovely set to come to life. Created in Thailand, these ceramic catch-alls Take the shape of little cats with tiny ears displaying orange and black hues, adding a jolly touch of sweetness to your interior. So again, I mean, literally you can do anything with them or just let them just sit there like as a little decorative piece or something. So those are gonna go to my friend next year. Yes, I'm already starting to get things for next year's holiday. So there's that. So all of the different choices for customization number 2 will be right here. One thing, I am listening to my girls in my ear. If you see that, don't mind that. I have a new layer. If you didn't see on my, I think I posted it on my Instagram and I might have posted it on my YouTube as well. But I have a new layer, one of my new little all black ones with the feathered legs and feet, my black copper Moran, one of them named Java. She laid her first egg and I'm so excited to have that dark chocolate color. Oh my gosh, that's what I really, really wanted. I've been waiting to have that dark color, so I'm over the moon. I cannot wait until her sister Shadow starts laying, and I hope they're slightly different or I can tell the difference, or else I don't know how I'm gonna tell who laid what, because I literally log who lays every day. Enough about that, but let's go ahead and dive in to my customization number 2. This one I actually chose, and if you follow me, you know I never actually choose a scarf for myself because I'm never that cold. But I saw this set that has these 2 beautiful colors, and I thought this would be really nice for me to add to my the box that I take my still shots. I like to have these go in the corners to kind of cover the edges. So right now I have like a blue scarf that I got from Globein. So I thought this would be really cool just so I can switch them up and have different colors. This is like a really pretty mint, and this is a really pretty like turquoise color. Both of these together, they're 2 hand-woven lightweight cotton scarves in green shades. Gorgeous greens is what it says. And it's valued for $32 for the set of 2. Again, I really love those colors. Those are absolutely beautiful. So this would even be really pretty if you did use them as a scarf, but I'm going to use them in my box. And if I want to use it as a scarf for like a fashion statement, just so I look cute, I can grab it from my box and wear it when I want. So here is the set of 2, and it says gorgeous green. Thailand's hand weaving heritage takes from this mint and forest green scarf set. Soft, airy cotton ensures lightweight layering, while delicate fringes bring an extra touch of charm. So let's look at that little fringe that it's talking about really quick here. So all on the edge, can you see that? Yeah, it has this little fringe that goes around the entire scarf. But that is an absolutely gorgeous color. Oh my goodness, I love these colors in these scarves. So that's what I went with for category number 2. All of the different options that you can choose for the 3rd category will be right here. This one, however, I actually chose an item as a gift. This one's gonna go in my same pile for next year's gift giving section. But I have a friend who, like me, really loves owls. I mean, I love butterflies over everything, but I also love an owl. I have this one here that I got from Globein a few months back, and I absolutely love this, and I have it normally sitting in my background. This one here kind of looks similar. It looks like it's going to definitely be smaller, but this one I chose for a friend. Ooh, that is so pretty, but it's kind of like a little vase where, I mean, if she wanted to put like a few pins in there, you can put like some makeup brushes if you so chose to. You can put like a little stem of like, you know, greenery or some flowers. Like literally you can use it for anything. Like here's just a pin that I have sitting here just for, you know, if you want it, like I said, just to stick some stuff in there. You can use this for anything or just have it sitting like that. But I thought that was so pretty, and it kind of matches like the same colors. It's a little different. This one has more of like a blue hue, and this one's more of like a green hue, and it's a completely different owl. But again, I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I want to definitely get that for my friend. So this is the handcrafted green tie bird theme pot. is what it's considered. Happy Green Owl, valued for $26. Who's going in the house right now? Java. My new little layer. It's literally, I'm getting notifications. And if you didn't see, I did a new coop. I put a new coop together for them. And I put wallpaper inside, which I absolutely love. It just looks so much nicer. I'm so happy that they have a little upgrade. They needed more room, plus I have 5 now. So anyway, I know this is not a chicken update, but I had to talk a little bit to show you all of the different choices anyways. So I found something to talk about. It was a twofer. But again, here is the owl. I think that is absolutely adorable, and it's valued again at $26. But I know my friend is going to absolutely love that. And then on here it says Happy Green Owl. A petite owl perches and patiently waits in this adorable holder. It's ceramics and it's richly cracked textures. It's designed to hold small items anywhere you need. So I don't know if you could actually see the cracking in it. I noticed it as soon as I opened it up. Like, it has a whole lot of amazing cracking like through it. Look at that. It is just absolutely gorgeous. So here is this little owl that she can put stuff in or just sit to look at or whatever. So I definitely wanted to grab that for my friend. So I have 2 things so far that I'm going to be using for gifts for next year. And I have these 2 beautiful colored scarves to use for my background. So that is everything that I chose for the November 2024 Globein box. Oh, and down inside of this envelope, I completely forgot to show you. I love that they always put in a postcard and that they take the time to write in 2 different languages. Like, I can only speak and write in one language, and they literally write in their language and in ours. Like, that is just absolutely amazing that they take that time to put it in there in 2 different languages. Like, that is absolutely amazing. I love that. You always have one of these little cards in there. And again, you have these with each item as well. If you like a little bit more information about this box, I will let you know the pricing right about now. I do have my own code if you did not want to jump straight to a subscription, but you wanted to purchase from their website, because you can find all of their amazing products individually on their artisan shop that you can purchase anytime from their website. However, if you are an active member, you get 20% off their entire shop all the time. That's a perk of being a member. However, if you do not want to go straight to a subscription yet, but you saw some items that you wanted to purchase for yourself or for gift ideas, you can purchase through the shop and use my code SheCrafty, and that will get you that 20% off without having to be an active member. So if you want to do that, or you can sign up. Normally they have a deal when you sign up, you can get a free box and they'll give you a few different options to choose. So they have other incentives and deals when you're going to sign up for the actual subscription. I will have them linked down below in the description box to take you straight to their website if you are interested. And again, if you want to shop their shop without having a membership, SheCrafty will save you 20% off. So if you want to do a 3-month subscription, because that's the least amount that you can do, you don't do 1 month at a time, it's 3 months is the minimum. That is $40 per box. So for $40, you'll have your 3 items and you'll have it for 3 different months, $40 per month. If you want to save some money and go to a 6-month subscription, that would be $37 per box. And if you want to go to a whole 12-month subscription for the whole entire year, your box price is brought down to $35 per month. So that is absolutely amazing. The more you buy, the cheaper it is per box, which is great. Again, you can customize as of the 1st or the 2nd. Go in at 6 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time where I am, and you can choose your box. Just don't forget, the sooner you do it, the more options you will have to choose from. So there you go, you guys. I will again have them all listed in the description box for you. If you like to check out other companies, other discount codes, learn more about me or my animals, you can check out my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know what you thought about it. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye! Crafty crew, out.